Get away from the tree! Megan, go get him!
I don't know what I did, Kylie. She's obviously pissed.
Oh, I put you in the group. Oh, knockout.
Oh, that shit. Steven?
You have your ass in my face. Oh, it's on.
Go!
Let's go. Come on.
Wait, hold on. Let me stop laughing.
Come on.
Get him, Megan!
I'm just like hide down.
Get it, Megan! Oh, that's my brush strap, you asshole. Get it, Megan. Go get it, Megan. Get out of the way, Brittany.
Come on, let's do this shit.
I just jabbed.
Jabby, jab, 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 jab.
Jab up your butt.
Be careful. You guys be careful. Joe's coming.
Who?
Joe?
Joe?
I don't see no Joe.
The Joe?
Oh, I see.
Joe!
The Jonah!
The Joe? The Jonah.
Here we go, move!
Face!
He looks like Caleb when he does this.
Yeah, someone go get money.
No.
I need some. Please, I'll give it right back.
John! Fight Steven right now! I just want to see that.
I'll fight John. He's so easy.
Let's go. Fight Josh.
Fight Josh.
No, I'm good.
Go fight Josh.
Are you scared?
Go, Josh! Kick John's ass.
Please?
Look, someone records it. I'll kick John's ass.
No. I can kick John's ass. It's so easy.
Oh, they're fighting?
He runs away.
I don't want to.
It's funny. Did you see me yesterday? Did you see me yesterday chasing?
I'm so tired. I can't take you seriously.
I'll take him seriously.
Hold on.
Let's go, Steven. Hold it. Let's go, Steven.
No face shots.
She's got nails on too, so.
That's gonna fucking hurt. Steven! How can you hit a girl and smile about it? I just don't fucking get it. Josh.
I'm watching it!
Steven!
She's like